Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will discuss essential of successful budgeting and advantages of budgeting. Let us first of all define what is a budget. Budgets are management tools which are used by non-profit organizations to plan and monitor the use of resources. Budget is quantitative statement of goals and objectives expressed in monetary terms. Budget is a projection or estimate of future outputs, cost, and revenue. Features of budgets are prepared in advance of the operations, work as guide for the forthcoming period. Objectives and function of budgeting. To guide action, short-term plan for meeting the objective of the company or organization. To coordinate different activities, budgets are the operating decisions. To motivate employees, budget sets physical and financial targets to be achieved by managers. To provide basis for performance evaluation. Setting up the physical targets and level of expenditure, formulating expenditure policies, allocating resources in conformity with the policies and targets, addressing operation efficiency and performance issues. SWOT analysis, project evaluation and review, program evaluation and social review, balance sheet, target setting, technological review, discussion with other staff. Management process of planning, create course of action, performance evaluation, resource planning and allocation, continuous improvement, coordination, control of activities. These are the advantages of budgeting. It is for early consideration of basic policies. It requires adequate and proper organizations. It complete all members of the management from top down to participate in the establishment of goals. It compels all members of the departmental management to make plans in harmony with the plans of other. With the plans of other departments. It compels management to demand adequate historical accounting data. It compels management to plan for the most economical use of resources available. It enforces management the habit of timely, carefully, and adequate consideration of the factor before reaching decisions. It It helps to implement the principle of management by exception. It pinpoints efficiency or inefficiency. It promotes understanding among members of management. It forces a periodic self-analysis of the organization. It checks progress or lack of progress toward the objectives of the organization. Budget preparation checklist can be this: has the equipment been screened for availability? Are the capital equipment defined by the donor? Do the capital equipment require any modification? Are the other costs appropriate and adequate? This is the end of the session. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for next video. Please like and share it. Please comment so that I shall be improve my presentation. Thank you very much.